Hi, would you like to make $90 every 5 minutes from Google for free? Yeah, this is the earn money from home opportunity right now that I'm going to reveal in this video. You use Google every day, right? But you're not getting paid for that. So if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to show you the secret way by which you can use Google and you can earn $90 or more, $100 or more money just putting some times like 5 minutes to 10 minutes of your time, and you're good to go with this method. But before I show you the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn or you can make $90 every 5 minutes from Google for free. Yeah, this is the way. I'm going to show you some secret tricks by which you can use Google and you can use a site that I'm going to show you right now, and you can earn a decent amount of money every month, and it's just one-time work and it can pay you over and over again for the life. And this is a really cool way. So the site I'm going to show you is called shrinkme.io. Yes, this is the URL shorting site, and this is the site that going to pay us lot more for our work. And if you just listen to me carefully, then you will definitely earn $90, $100 or even more money using this link shortening site. You may heard this type of methods earlier, but in this video I'm going to show you some tricks by which you can increase your earning with shortening link, and you are good to go with that. So without further ado, this is the link shortening site. As you see, shrinkme.io, and it's just paying, you see, it's just paying $220 per 10,000 views. So this is really awesome. This is a legit site. You can go over there and you can search it by yourself, you can browse it yourself. This is a legit site, legit paying site that just require you to create an account, shorten your link, and you have to promote it, that I'm going to show you later on, and you can earn money with this site. And if you just go over to their payment proof, that will, for your satisfaction, you can go over to their payment proof link and it will show all the recent payments that they have paid out, and you can see the amount, you can see the date, and you can see the methods. This supports way more methods to pay out, get payment, so peoples all around the world can work here and earn decent amount of money. If that is not enough, you can scroll down here and you can see that they have also payment proof screenshot that user submitted here. You can see that all the payment proof screenshot. So all you have to do is just create an account. You just click on register here in the top right corner, and you will show this page with the form, simple form. Just fill in your username, email, password, and you're good to go with that. And just if I go to their payout rates, you can see that this is the payout rate. And one more thing is, they're going to give you $1 to just head start with. Just if you sign up there, you will get $1, and their minimum payout is $5, which is really great, and you get paid daily from them. They do not delay about that. And this is the important thing, most of the shortening sites do not pay daily, and this is the way I like these sites, and it's all supports many different ways to get payment. Payout rates for countries, so every 1000 views for Greenland you can get up to $22, which is really crazy amount, but it's true because it's a marketing strategy that they use to promote their site. But the thing is, most people you will get from top tier countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand. These countries are our targeted country that will get lots of traffic from them, but from Greenland we don't get that kind of traffic. That is why making this $22 is a really difficult task, but it's just a marketing strategy. That's okay. But for United States, UK, Canada, New Zealand, they are paying $7, around $7, which is a really good amount to get going with our method. So what we have to do, we use YouTube. Yes, we use YouTube and we search for weight loss videos. We are going to search it. This is the step 2 of this method. Step 1, we just go over to shrinkme.io, create an account, and then we go over to YouTube. And YouTube, we search for like weight loss related words. I have searched here weight loss workout, so it shows up all the videos of weight loss related workout. And the thing is, we are searching for latest video which are getting popular really fast. So what we can do, we just go over to click filter and we just select this week. This week it will filter out the results and it will show all the videos that are just uploaded recently and getting thousands of views. You can see this video 5 days ago, it's already around 90k, and this video like this 2 days ago, it's getting 57,000 views. This is a really awesome video that we target. And so if I just click on this video, it will show something like this. All we need is just go here and just copy this URL. So I have copied this URL, and then we just go over to shrinkme.io and paste our URL here and hit enter, and after some seconds we get the shortened URL of it. This is the link that we have to promote to get paid from shrinkme.io. So just copy this URL from here, and we are going to go to the third phase of using Google search. So all we have to do right now is just head over to google.com. so I can search here like weight loss related forums. So if I search it like weight loss forums, and it will show all the forums related to weight loss, and it will show all the communities that are targeted to weight loss. So people all around the world wanted to weight loss are going to these type of forums and ask for their answers, and these are the forums that you need to target. So for example, I have show up some forums like these forums like fitness.com, weightlosscenter.net, forums.sweat.com is thus for example. These are the forums that are really targeted to weight loss goals, and you can just go over there. All the forums, you just go over to their register page and create an account. Just click on sign up there. You just go over and click on sign up there. You just register all the forums that you find that are related to weight loss and just create an account with there, and you just put your user dummy name and so on, so that you just don't put your real name there. Just create a dummy account and just go with that account. So that will be good to go. You just have to enter all those forums and post informative contents. Like what? You just post an weight loss tips or weight loss methods and something like that, weight loss recipe. So this is are all good things that people that want to search for weight loss are looking for. So all you can do, just post some good contents on those forums, and definitely you just put your shortened link right below it, just to say that you can go over there and you can find this video related to your weight loss goal. So another tips that I can share you is that you just go over to that video, watch that video and learn what it is all about, and then write it in your words into those forums and post something like related to that video. and then write it in your words, and then at the end of that post you just post the shrink me IO link so that it stays good. And definitely spamming is really prohibited. You cannot go with spamming, so you have to put sometimes it just require 5 minutes of your time. It just get the idea from that video, it write it in your words and post the shortened link right after that post. So definitely that will be accepted by all those forums if you just put some value on this like this. So definitely if you just start posting on those forums, peoples all around the world is going to get to your link so you can earn money. But how about targeting specific countries? So we are targeting here like from United States, United Kingdom. We do not need peoples from all around the world, we just need specific country people. So how can we find that? So all we have to do is just go over to Google search, and you can click on this settings here. You just click on Google search and go over to their settings, and this page will show up like this search settings for Google. All you have to do, just go down below and where it says search customizations, and you will see that region settings, and it will have all the countries listed here. You just have to select that country. So for instance, I have selected United States and hit save. So these results that I have searched on Google like weight loss forums, it shows all the forums that are geographically targeted to United States. So people from United States are really present in these type of forums. So there is a better chance if we target this type of forums, we get peoples from United States, and we are good to go with our $7 per 1,000 views goal. So that's way we can definitely target specific countries and specific country peoples in those forums, and that way we can get top tier traffic to your shortened link. Also we can search various forums on findaforum.net. You can go over to findaforum.net and search for your keywords here, and it will show all the forums that are related to your search terms, and you will good to go with that. But for targeting specific countries, we use Google, and Google search settings, we select any country that we want to target and then search for that keyword that we are wanting to get forums for, and then we can get many more search results and many more targeted traffic to our shortened link, and we can get money. And it's all takes some 5 minutes of your time. You just spend 5 minutes, post it on forums, and move on to the next video and spend another 5 minutes and post another good thing to those forums. And more work you do, there are more chances you get. And those forum posts, if it's accepted by those forums admins, it will stay there forever, and it will bring you traffic more and more. Lifelong you will getting traffic to your post, and you just spend one time 5 minutes of your time, and you just getting more than $90, $100 you can make. If you just make $7 per 5 minutes, in 1 hour you can get $90. So this is it. It's just an example. You can earn even more money for your 5 to 10 minutes time of work. So this is the real deal, real strategy and real tricks to really get going with that. And this site is definitely paying. You do not worry about that, and all you have to do is just be active, and then money will follow you. As I always say, please, if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.